In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and practical step-by-step guide on how to place your very own 2-up matched bet at Bet365, how to lay it off on a betting exchange, and how to find the 2-ups with the least amount of risk but the highest potential payout. Hey guys, TheFrugalife here, back with another video. On this channel, we typically talk about match betting, personal finance, and how to help your money go further. If all of that sounds great to you, give the video a like and hit that subscribe button so you stay up to date on all the videos from this channel. This ties in with my previous videos on 2-ups, so check out those videos as well so you can see how all this information works together. In this video, we're going to cover the filters that I use when searching for 2-ups in the Oddsmatcher, exactly how to place your 2-up bet at Bet365, how to place your lay bet at the betting exchange using OddsMonkey's lay bet integration, and I'll also show you how to do it manually without the integration. And if you stick to the very end, I'll show you a live example of me placing a 2-up back and lay bet myself. So let's get right into it. The very first step is opening the Oddsmatcher on OddsMonkey's website. The Oddsmatcher is an amazing tool that will look at all the major upcoming games and compare the back and lay odds from all of them. Next, before searching, I make sure that I'm using the correct filter. I've already created a Bet365 2-up filter, but you can customize it to however you want. I have football selected. I've set it so it only shows me results for Bet365. If you want to include Paddy Power, you can do that as well. I only use Smarkets as a betting exchange, so I only have that one selected. But you can change this to the Betfair Exchange, BetDAC, or Matchbook, whatever you like. Usually, I only want to see results within the next 24 hours, so I set it to 1 day. And of course, I need 2-up written in the text box, so it only shows me results that qualify for 2-up. After searching with this filter, I'll have a whole bunch of different results, and each row represents a different 2-up opportunity that I can back and lay. With my results sorted by rating, I would look at all of the opportunities listed from top to bottom. I've covered my 2-up strategy in another video, but essentially I want to find back and lay odds that are high and close together. This will give me a large payout with a small qualifying loss. So when I'm happy with a selection, I go onto Bet365 and check that those back odds haven't changed. I then check one final time that the lay odds haven't changed at the betting exchange. And if the odds haven't changed, I place my back bet on that team, my lay bet against that team, and I try to keep the delay between my back and lay bet as short as possible, just in case the odds change. After those two bets are placed, I enter the back bet and the lay bet information into my spreadsheet so I can keep track of what's going on and I know what my money's doing. And after the game's settled, I'll enter that last bit of information into the spreadsheet. That's pretty much my workflow, and I'll show you an example from yesterday of me placing my own 2-up attempt. So I open the Oddsmatcher, use the correct 2-up filter, and I refresh the results. I'm pretty happy with this result for Roma, so I click the information button. On Bet365, I have back odds of 3, and on Smarkets, I have lay odds of 3.15. So based on those back and lay odds, I punch in a few different back stakes to see if I can get a profit over £150 and a qualifying loss less than £3. With a £60 back bet, I can get a potential profit of £177.14 with a qualifying loss of £2.86. This is a little better than my minimum requirement, so I'm more than happy in trying a 2-up on Roma. I then open Bet365 and check that the back odds on Roma are still 3.0. I refresh the lay odds one last time to make sure that they haven't changed. I place my back bet on Roma at Bet365 and I place my lay bet against Roma at the betting exchange, using OddsMonkey's integration to save me a few clicks. And then I'm finished. I have my back bet on Roma, my lay bet against Roma, I sit and wait and hope that the 2-up gets triggered. And if I want to see alerts for the game, goals, red cards, that sort of thing, I'll pull up the Flash Score app, look for my team and favourite it. If you don't have Smarkets or whatever betting exchange you use integrated into the Oddsmatcher, you can manually place the lay bet yourself. It would just take a little bit longer. In this case, you would search for Roma on Smarkets and then enter all of that lay bet information that's displayed in the calculator, and then place your lay bet through there. Unfortunately, this 2-up did not win. Roma started off well, but only scored 1 goal before conceding 4. I wanted to show you this because I want you to understand that 2-ups do not get triggered a lot. You should expect them to lose. And that's why it's important to have low qualifying losses just like this. Worst case scenario, I'm down £2.86, but I could have made £177 doing this. If you do enough of these with high quality 2-ups, you will come out a winner. I'll have a whole bunch of £1, £2, £3 qualifying losses all string together, but all it takes is one 2-up to trigger and I've made all of my money back and a whole lot more. Hopefully that all made sense to you, you learned something new, and you can implement this so you can start making profit yourself. As usual, if you want to check out OddsMonkey, I'll have an affiliate link in the description to their free trial. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more match betting related content, as well as other money tips and tricks. I'll have more videos just like this coming out soon. And don't forget to give the video a like and to share it with a friend if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching everyone, I'll catch you in the next video.